right. Come on, man. Oh, come on, come on, come on. No. Let's go. Come on, son. This y'all is just go. Come on. I'm about to run away from home. I'm about to run away from my house. I just need to know, do y'all see this? Fool, did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? Son, I cannot wait to post this video. Guys, I just want to say this is another reason why automation is the truth. I need you to watch this video entirely and watch us backtest this indicator. All the trades that this indicator took would have been taking on the bot, man. And if you can't afford the bot, you can get the indicator. Please check this video out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, show some love. Oh my gosh. Nicole, we was backtesting and I was doing the strategy. I was getting smoked, getting cooked. Like, I was getting mad because I was getting wicked out. I put the indicator on and won like 15 trades back to back on the 2 minute. Let me show y'all this. Let me go back because this don't make no daggone sense. Look at this. This don't make no daggone sense, man. We was on options and it was still cooking. I knew my indicator was good, guys. I knew it was good. I ain't know it was all like that, bruh. I knew it was really good. I ain't know it was that good, bruh. Let me show this off real quick, guys, before I answer questions. All right, short fill, right? You see how it says weak, avoid fake out? At your discretion, you could have entered this, but you would have hit. You would have hit at your discretion, but you still would have hit. I need to get my camera out, guys. This got to go on YouTube. No, we trade NQ, we trade RTY, we trade Forex, we trade options. We do it all. Ask me what instrument do a trade. Just give me a specific instrument, and I'll tell you. Give me a specific instrument. Just name one thing. Yes. Give me another one. Yes. Give me one more. Yes. Give me one more. Give me one more. Yes. Yes. I don't even know what that is. Yes. On the set. The only set I rep is Jesus, guys. Okay, here we go. So we just won that joint right there. Here we go. All right, let's go. Let's go. So you see right here it says avoid fake out. All right, it says choppy. Let me show you how this thing works, bro. This is all right. Come on, man. Come on, son. Come on, son. Come on, son. It was going so fast. I didn't even know that it was a setup right there. Come on, son. Come on, son. I just got, you know what I'm saying? I just got to let my people know that this joint is crazy. I just got to let my people know that this joint is crazy. And it says weak, avoid fake out. We on a 4-trade win streak. All right, guys, this update is crazy and the 2 minute is crazy. When you get the indicator, trade on the 2 minute. Short field. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. I just need to know, do y'all see this? Just let me know. All right, we got 2. Thank you. Can I get 8 more? Okay. All right, thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay, because this is crazy. Like, and guys, the reason I'm so hype about this, in our VIP chat just now, I was getting smoked. Not like I wasn't losing that bad, but it took me a while to like mark the charts. It took me a while to find the perfect setup. And then I would enter the trade so gracefully and I would get wicked out, or it would go without me, or it wouldn't wick me in. People in the VIP, OG Trill, whoever else was in the VIP. Did I win a single trade? Did I win a single trade? Taylor, is Taylor here? I won some. Okay, all right. Thank you, Taylor. I'll never trade without this thing ever again. I'll never trade without it again. Never trade without it again. Oh, come on, come on, come on. No. Let's go. Y'all saw how I was about to get wicked out? Did y'all see how I was about to get wicked out? Did y'all see how I was about to get wicked out? I just want to make sure that people, it's 6 trades back to back. When the last time you won 6 trades back to back? The stop loss is God in disguise. God pushing that thing. The weeks would commit adultery. Dang. I don't get it. Who taking my spot, Taylor? I don't get it. I'm sorry. I gotta ChatGPT that joke. Yeah. Who is that? Please don't tell me something that's gonna take away my black card. Oh, Badiana. Oh, yeah, Badiana's taking my spot for sure. Yeah, sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, Badiana's gonna take my spot. I was like, who is Botinha? I was like, who the heck is Botinha? What? I don't see him in the chat. We gotta ban him. That's what I was thinking. I was like, somebody, somebody trying to steal my students from me. Who's Batinia? All right, let's go. All right, let's go. Let's keep going. It's no momentum, but you see how it's telling you just the way it's choppy. Just wait. It's telling you it's choppy. Weak, avoid fake out. So it's approaching the line. It even crossed the line a couple times, but the indicator is telling you to avoid the fake out. And we still avoiding the fake out. We don't care. We don't care nothing about no little pushes. We don't care about that. All right, okay. All right. That's a bug, guys. No cap. That's a bug. No cap. I think it's because of how fast I was doing the thing. That shouldn't have happened. That's a bug. All right, ignore that. But I'm glad I'm recording. I'm gonna send that to my developer because we're still having bugs on the backtesting part. Come on. I'm about to run away from home. I'm about to run away from my house. I'm about to run away and just run to New York. I'm running away. I'm about to just, y'all seen Forrest Gump? I'm about to run like Forrest Gump. I'm about to just run and just keep running. How the heck you win 7 in a row? When the last time you won 7 in a row? I'm about to run till my feet fall off. Come on, man. I'm about to run till my knees collapse. What the heck, bro? Bruh, okay, this is the indicator, right? This is the indicator. This is the $97 joint, right? The bot, which is a little more expensive, will catch all this for you. You would have won 7 trades today. Well, I don't know if this was today, but you would have won 7 trades. You would have won 7 trades without looking at your phone. On 30 prop firms? Because they got you funded on 30 of them? Please. I ain't never trading without the indicator or buy ever again. Yeah, I get excited too. All right, let's see if this get us in. Let's see if this get us in. Okay. So I also told the community, when this disappears, that means don't trade it. When this goes away, that means don't trade it. But we're probably gonna put a message right here that says something like ignore or never mind, something like that. All right, so boom, go look at. All right, let me see. I got you. All right, let me do one more. Let me do one more. I'm sorry, girl. I'm sorry. This y'all is just come on, man. Come on. No. Did somebody catch the number? Did somebody catch the win streak? I wasn't able to catch it because we caught this right here, but we lost this right here. Was it 8? All right, let's see. Tell me the code again one more time. This one? All right. Who want me to look at an instrument? I'm that confident. Tell me pull up an instrument right now. I do whatever y'all tell me. What instrument y'all want me to do? I don't even know what that is. DJ. Come on, DJ. Don't let me down, bro. Don't let me down. All right. Let's take it right here. Let's go right here. Nah, let's do after NFP. Let's see how it's looking so far. All right. Not bad. All right. So weak, avoid fake out. Bro, look at this candle. I've been seeing that a lot more on GJ lately. Go. All right, long field. We in. No, guys, we was just in. Oh, that joint was playing with our emotions. Why would it do that to us? It still gave us the win. Why would it even do that? Just go up. What was you trying to do? I ain't gonna lie, this trade would have gave me a heart attack. It would have triggered you in. You would have been up. Oh my gosh. But this is why you gotta hold your trades, guys. You can't just get out. And especially if you trade on the 2-minute, bro, there was a trade that I took on the 2-minute on Monday where I forgot that I was in the trade. And I looked back later, I was like, oh shoot, I was in the trade and I won. Hey, Badiana is crazy. I like that. Badiana. All right. Oh, okay. It's another one. It went too fast. All right, it would have been in right here. Full 2 back-to-back. When the last time y'all won 2 trades back-to-back like that? Look, and it's telling you to avoid the fake out. Look all them fake outs you would have got cooked with. Look at this. We not trading none of this crap. Come on, bro. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw it. It's patient. It's waiting for the right setup. Yeah, it's cooking. Jesus, man. All right, let's keep going. I do a few more, then I'll do MAQ, and then I'll answer questions. Full. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. All right, I'll do one more. Which I want. This is GJ, by the way. This is Forex. All right, which I'll do one more. Which I want. RTY? Nope. EU, YM, US 30, YM. Coach Sarah, I love you. I'm not doing silver. Me and silver are completely beefing. Now, it probably cooked on it. You see, it ain't even on my zone. YM is slept on. Okay, somebody did say NQ, but me and MQ are kind of beefing. I do YM. Because for the people that say US 30, it's the same thing. Coach Jason, when I post this video, bruh, you gonna be like, oh, shoot. Bro, I'm never trading without the indicator or buy ever again. No cap. No cap. Never doing it ever again. Yeah, but it got potential, but if that's the motive for it to blow my account, then I gotta stay away from it. You know how many accounts I've blown on silver? Fool, did y'all see that? 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 I just gotta know that. Did y'all see that? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. Dog. Whoa. Okay. This is a bug, guys. It shouldn't. Okay, I know it won. I know it won this one. That shouldn't have happened. I'm not mad at it. This should have not happened because it won a trade right here. It needs to cool down first. We have a cool down feature for where it cools down, and then you can enter a trade after. I'm not mad at it because you won, but still, it's not supposed to do that. But it still won. All right, let's keep going. YM, man. Okay. All right, dirty 30. Dirty 30. Son. I cannot wait to post this video. Because they be thinking I'm capping, bruh. I cannot wait to post this video. Man, what? The price gotta go up. It gotta go up. The price gotta go up significantly. That's not fair to me. It performs better than me. That's not fair. When the last time you won 4 trades back to back? I'm not getting off this until I lose a trade. That's 5. I'm not getting off a trade till I lose. I'm not getting off the chart. I'm not answering no questions till it lose a trade. The moment it lose a trade, all right, I'm done. All right, I'm done. All right, let me wrap my video up real quick, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out this video right here. Go ahead and watch that, Joe. It's going to bless you. All right.